And then for the rest of your life, you will never get chickenpox again. Okay, so we have two bits to the immune system. One is called innate, and the other one's called acquired. And the innate is broad and general and goes after the first assault. And the acquired is the one that is learning, and then it will remember things that came its way and know exactly and very quickly with highly precise weapons to take it down. So, for example, chickenpox is one such thing. You encounter chickenpox in your childhood, but by the time you're about 2 years old, you're out of your infancy and you're now ready to take on these things. And then you have your chickenpox and you will develop your immunity. And then for the rest of your life, you will never get chickenpox again.